Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 17th, and this is my analysis for the Aussie US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with. So today is FOMC interest rate day for the US. Definitely a very big news event. I will be live streaming for that news event starting 30 minutes before the news drops, so definitely check that out. Now, we are sitting at the 123% Fibonacci retracement of this whole move up. Definitely a pretty big area of resistance, but to me, this really looks like we're in a wave three. I have a really hard time believing that this is actually just going to be a big old trend reversal today. I don't really think that's going to be the case. I mean, there's no significant break of structure down. I mean, there's still a chance that this thing could go up a lot more, especially if you're looking at the very high time frames like the weekly and the daily. So unfortunately, I mean, even if it does go down, it looks like it should be a wave four. Going down to the 1 hour time frame for now, I would start off with my Fibonacci retracement from here to here, because if it does make a pullback, it possibly could just be a pullback to this last series of higher highs, higher lows. So I would want to see it to take out this low. So I would want to see at least a 50 or 61% pullback. And if that happens and then it makes a nice engulfing move to the upside, I definitely would still take it as a long. Just keep in mind that today there should be a lot of volatility in the markets. They are planning on cutting rates for the first time this year, probably going to cause a lot of volatility. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.